In military campaigns, rushing headlong into battle may not always be the best strategy. Instead, it is essential to plan and strategize carefully to secure victory. By meticulously preparing and employing tactics, such as encircling the enemy and cutting off their supply lines, one can increase their chances of success on the battlefield. It is crucial to move swiftly and decisively, constantly pushing forward and adapting to the changing conditions of the terrain. Those who are most robust and alert will have the advantage, while those who are weary and slow will be left behind. Remember, a military force without proper supplies and provisions is destined to fail. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the enemy's intentions and knowledge of the geographical features and obstacles that may impede progress. One can hope to achieve victory on the battlefield by combining strategic foresight with decisive action. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on military strategy and history.